AMP presently exchanges close $0. The AMA especially is as of now at $0 a very significant manner. AMP truly faces medium-term obstruction at $0 in unobtrusive manner. AMP records especially descending development today, which basically is genuinely critical. The 13th of May 2023. In this video we will really walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of attempt to answer these. Much of the time certainly got clarification on pressing issues. What in a real sense is essentially transient cost expectation for AMP. In a real sense is AMP a for the most part wise venture, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. AMP support in opposition levels and so forth in an exceptionally large manner. However, prior to jumping kind of profound into the AMP specialized examination, truly let us basically discuss the very current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the last 24 hours. There basically was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital currency market to $120,109,556,157 in an especially enormous manner. The really complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $29,326,280,073, so AMP as of now exchanges close $0. The AMA fundamentally is as of now at $0. Or so they truly thought. Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33% in a sort of large manner, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2%, showing how which especially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.38 level after a vertical development of 2% in a by and large significant manner. Various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours, showing how various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours, which truly is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $309.58, following a cost difference in 1.44% inside a similar time span, showing how various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours, showing how various elective cryptographic forms of money. As Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 1.27% coming to $1,793.04 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought. XRP, the truly local coin of XRP, really is up by 0.53 and at present exchanging at 43 cents in a sort of significant manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in Steam in an especially significant way. These occasions most certainly demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in an exceptionally descending heading for genuinely present moment, which sort of is very critical. Right now, a really broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which generally shows that Bitcoin shares 46.38% of the entry market while Ethereum fundamentally has a predominance of 16.33%. Which basically is very huge. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to recognize sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So XRP, the in every way that really matters. Local coin of XRP generally is up by 0.53 and at present exchanging at 43 cents in a for the most part large manner. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers especially become certainly more beautiful, dynamic, and all things considered, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how AMP in a real sense faces medium-term opposition at $0, which all things considered is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition basically is a level at which dealers for the most part become genuinely dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they for the most part thought. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP in every way that really matters is at $0, down 2.27% in the essentially beyond 24 hours and fundamentally has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week, showing how AMP right now exchanges close $0. The AMA sort of is as of now at $0 in all things considered, significant way. One day exchanging volume for BTC essentially is $5,028,737.00 while really complete market cap came to $206,066,187 USD in an unpretentious manner. There for the most part are practically 42,227,702,186 truly are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, exhibiting how AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, which basically is very critical. AMP value examination. AMP cost investigation for the 13th of May 2023 inside a day-to-day time period basically made sense of beneath in a significant manner. We utilize sort of relative strength index, moving essentially normal union and uniqueness, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving especially normal and outstanding moving really normal to especially dissect the future development of the AMP, showing how one-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is $5,028,737.00 US, while for the most part complete market cap came to $206,066,187 USD, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. While AMP's Williams %R marker sort of is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange really signal especially is by and large conceivable at this rate, exhibiting that there generally are practically 42,227,702,186 sort of are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, exhibiting how AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they for the most part thought. The MACD line fundamentally is remaining underneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid. Fundamentally further appearance how the MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the really signal line after a hybrid in a by and large significant manner. AMP financial backers need to generally hang tight for any directional change over the truly everyday outline, which by and large shows that XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, basically is up by 0.53 and presently exchanging at 43 cents in a kind of huge manner. The primary help level for AMP especially is at $0, the essentially second one especially is at $0. Kind of additional appearance how the MACD line for the most part is remaining underneath of the fundamentally signal line after a hybrid. Sort of additional appearance how the MACD line generally is remaining beneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid in a sort of significant manner. While taking about opposition, the AMP explicitly has R1 and R2 at $0, showing how AMP financial backers need to basically hang tight for any directional change over the fundamentally day-to-day diagram, which in every practical sense shows that XRP, the local coin of XRP in every way that really matters, is up by 0.53 and at present exchanging at 43 cents, which for the most part is genuinely critical. RSI suggesting union stage while exchanging at 45 and generally is attempting to sort of break out of the lack of bias zone. So furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which explicitly is genuinely critical. AMP in every practical sense is currently encountering a critical negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to truly suggest that the cryptographic money is in an unsafe circumstance that can't explicitly be corrected, exhibiting what essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $26,820.30